Hello, fourth graders. This is Mrs. Nelson, and you will be working on looking at a 2-digit by 1-digit rectangle, and we'll be trying to find the perimeter of this guy. Okay, so you know that finding the perimeter of a rectangle requires you to fill in all the sides, so you know that this guy over here, he's the same length as that guy. You know that. And you know that this guy is the same size as this guy, so you know that as well. So let's go ahead and fill in our missing sides. So that's all you have to do. Remember, this side and this side, they're the same. So this side and this side, they're the same. That's what that symbol means. And then this side and this side are the same as well. Those are the same. So when you see this and then this, that means those sides are congruent or the same. Okay? Alright, so now we have our little things labeled. We know that perimeter is you add all the sides. Add all sides. Okay? So then I'm going to do it one way and then I'm going to do it another way because some of you might be making this connection. So if I have 6 plus 6, that's 12. Or for some of you really catching on, oh, you're like, well, 6 twice. 6 twice also equals 12. So these are the same. Okay? And then some of you are like, well, 32 plus 32 equals... And then you're going to say 64, but then if you say 32 times 2, that's going to also equal 64 because you know that 30 plus 2 times 2 will equal 60 plus 4. It's just 64. You just distribute that 2, multiply the 2 times the 30, and multiply the 2 times the 2, and that's where you get 60. So you just multiply this guy times this guy. Because then you get 30 times 2, and then 2 times 2. You already knew that from multiplying for area. Okay? You can do it either way. You can do, some kids are like, well, I'm just going to add 6 plus 6 here, and then 32 plus 32 right there. And then I'm going to add 30, then at the end, you're going to add, remember, top to bottom, left to right. So then you're going to come over here and you're going to get 64 plus 12. This is additive. And then you're going to go from top to bottom, right to left. And then you're going to add this guy. So you add from that direction. So then to do that, you go, well, I'm going to go 4 plus 2 is 6, and then I'm going to move to the right, and then 1 plus 6 is 7. So my perimeter for all the sides is going to be 76. Okay? Questions? Concerns? I'll see you on the next video. Remember, this was perimeter for a rectangle, a 2 by 1, or a 1 by 2. Okay? Bye.